You are listening to 89.5 North Star FM Radio. Tatak K, Radyo Kaalamang Pang-modular. Magaan na sa buhay, madali pa sa pag-aaral.
Good morning, Dasmariñas. Good morning, Grade 5. Welcome once again to your radio classroom. The classroom on air where we deliver your lessons right in the comfort of your homes. This is your host, Ma'am Jen Fausto. We are now in the last quarter of the school year 2020-2021. Isn't that a great relief? Konting hinga na lang, di ba? So as early as now, allow me to congratulate you for staying in your virtual classrooms amidst this pandemic. Join me today as we go a deeper understanding of a circle. What are you waiting for? Settle down and find a comfortable position. And if you're ready, hold that modules of yours. Grab your paper and pen, and this is Mathematics 5, Quarter 4, Week 1. In this week's lesson, you will learn about finding the area of a given circle and solving routine and non-routine problems involving the area of a circle. So let's begin. We are surrounded by different shapes. One of those is circle. What do you know about circle? Yes, it is round and has no sides. Today, we will know more about the circle and how to get its area in a given problem. Think of a pizza pie. Let us divide or slice it into 8 or 16 equal parts, the way we usually slice it. Then, arrange them in interchanging directions so that the vertices will point in opposite directions. What plane figure does it resemble? Yes, it will look like a parallelogram. The base of the parallelogram that is formed using the parts of a circle is the half of the circumference of the circle. What is circumference? Circumference is the distance around the circle. The base of the parallelogram is twice the pi and the radius divided by 2. Pi. You may want to know how a pi is written in symbol. Check for the Greek letter P. The value of pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter and is approximately equal to 3.14159 or 3 and 14,159 hundredthousands. Simplifying the formula, base is equal to pi multiplied by radius. Since the height of a parallelogram is half the diameter, so the radius therefore is the height of the circle. Therefore, the area of a circle is base times height. So to find the area of a circle, we use the formula pi times the radius raised to the second power, meaning multiply the radius by itself. Again, area of a circle is equal to pi times radius square. Now let's have an example. Find the area of a circle whose diameter is 8 cm. Since the given is the diameter, which is 8 cm, get half of it, 4 cm for the radius. Then multiply the radius by itself. Twice 4 cm is 4 times 4 equals 16. Then multiply the result to the value of pi, which is 3.14. Remember, the value of pi is constant, meaning it's always 3.14. What is the area of the circle? Very good. So the answer is 50.24 square centimeter. Now let's try another example. The radius of a circle is 3 meters. In this example, the given is radius, which is 3 meters. So substitute the values into the formula. Multiply the radius by itself, then multiply the result to the value of pi, which is 3.14. What is the answer? The answer is 28.26 square meters. Well done, grade 5. Now you're ready to answer the exercises in your modules, but that will be after this broadcast. Remember the formula for the area of a circle. Area of a circle is equal to pi, which is 3.16, times the square of the radius. Now be ready to use it in solving word problems. Now you always encounter routine and non-routine word problems. What is a routine problem? A routine problem is a translation problem in which you can write an equation and there is an immediate solution. What is a non-routine problem? A non-routine problem is a problem in which it requires analysis and insights into the known principles of mathematics. Now listen to the examples of routine and non-routine problems. Let's have a routine problem. A teacher assigned Ruel to prepare logo inside a circular cardboard for their club. If the radius of the cardboard is 18 cm, what is the area of the cardboard? So we are going to use the 4-step plan to solve this kind of problem, a routine problem. What are the steps in solving problems? 1. Understand. What is asked? What are the given facts? Number 2. Plan. What strategy should it be used to solve the problem? Number 3. Solve. Show your solution. And number 4. Check or look back whether your answer is right or wrong. So let's try solving this problem. Understand. What is asked? The area of the cardboard. What are the given facts? The circular cardboard and the 18 cm radius. What strategy are we going to use? Solving for the area of a circular cardboard. Now let us solve. The area of a cardboard, or the formula for area, is equal to pi r square. The radius is 18 cm. Have the square of 18 cm, and that will be 324 square centimeter multiplied by pi, which is 3.14. And the answer is, or the area of the circular cardboard is 1017.36 square centimeter. Now let us check or look back. Go back to your computation. Check if the given dimensions are properly substituted to the formula. Also, check the flow of the computation. Now let's try this problem. Alexa draws a circle inside a square piece of paper whose area is 64 square centimeter. She makes sure that the circle touches each side of the square. What is the area of the circle? The second problem is an example of a non-routine problem, wherein we will analyze it critically. To analyze and solve this problem, we can use an illustration. Now you may draw a circle inside a square. Now make sure that the sides of the square is touching the circle. As you can see, the square is the diameter of the circle. To get the side of the square, since area of a square is side square, to get the s or side from a square, get the square root. How do you get the square root? Think of a number that when you multiply twice, the answer is the square of the number. For example, the square of 49 is 7 because 7 times 7 is 49. So what is the square root of 64? Good job! It's 8. Now that we know that the diameter is 8 cm, get half of the diameter, that's 4 cm. Substituting the formula for area of a circle, that's pi times the square of radius, 3.14 times 16 square centimeter, and the answer is 50.24 square centimeter. Great job! To conclude this week's lesson, remember that the area of a circle, to solve for the area of a circle, multiply the pi by the square of the radius, or area, or A, is equal to pi r square. A decimal approximation of pi is 3.14. The area of a circle is expressed in square units. Example, square meter, or m, 2. written a little smaller on the upper right side of M. In solving routine and non-routine word problems, remember to understand, plan, solve, and check. Mathematics is accuracy, isn't it? And most of all, mathematics is also a science. It deals with the logic of shape, quantity, and arrangement. Math is all around us. In everything we do, it is the building block of everything in our daily lives, including mobile devices, architecture, maybe ancient or modern, art, money, engineering, and even sports. Have you ever thought of what will happen to the world without mathematics? Give it a thought. This has been your voice-over teacher, Ma'am Jen Fausto. Join me again next week with another fun learning activities in Mathematics 5 here on TKK 89.5 North Star FM Radio. Tatak K, Radyo Kaalamang Pang Modular. Magaan na sa buhay, madali sa pag-aaral.